What's up guys, and welcome back to a brand new episode from CA Builds. If you guys are new to the channel, tap that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Also, if you guys enjoy the content, make sure to give it a thumbs up. But today we're back in our 2019 Ford F-250. If you guys have not seen this truck yet, I'll go over it with you guys in a second. But we got a whole bunch of parts I need to go through, and I just want to get as much work done as I can. We'll probably focus on the interior today. I believe we got the airbags, so we'll swap out our current airbags. We'll probably take out the seats and get those airbags out as well, and just get as much done as we can. What's up, bud? Hey, what do you have? Let me see. Drop it. No. Oh, you got a piece of your toy. Go get it. If you're new to the channel, this is a 2019 Ford F-250. Has some front end damage right there, and the whole side got sideswiped. I purchased it from Copart Wreck. We need a new door. We might be fixing this door. We'll still look into that. And this bedside over here did have a whole bunch of damage. If you've seen the previous video, you know how bad it was. I had a whole bunch of dents and dings all over the side over here. But I did have the PDR guy come out and check this thing out. He basically made everything pretty straight, but we will still need to put some body filler and spray this side, because there's a couple little dings that he could not perfect, like the bottom right here. You could still kind of tell that it had some damage, so we're gonna have to glaze this side over here and just spray the whole bed side. But that's all good, because we'll still be spraying the whole side over there. So we'll kind of fix this bed and then blend it all the way back. But that's all done, and we also had to take off this cover and our camper shell as well. The truck did come with a camper shell, and I really don't like the look, so we took that off. I'm going to be selling that separately. So that's pretty much it over here. We did get a whole bunch of parts in the mail. There's a whole bunch of boxes over there that we need to go through, make sure that everything's good and correct. Also got a complete front end bumper for the truck. It's right here in the back. It comes with all the brackets, everything that we need, even the fog lights. So basically we just paint it and throw it on the truck. The truck originally came with a chrome one, but I am going to be painting them to the body of the truck. So the back one I'm going to take off as well and paint that one. And that's the camper shell that we removed right there. Pretty much it for now. I'm going to go through all the boxes and parts that came in the mail, and hopefully our airbags are somewhere in there. It's probably one of these boxes, because I want to hop on the interior today and hopefully replace those current airbags and just do as much as we can. So let's get these suckers open. Alrighty guys, I got a whole bunch of goodies unboxed, and we did get our airbags, which is really good because now I could hop on the interior and start working on that. But I'm not gonna open up our box of headlights just yet. I did get a brand new pair of headlights. They're the blacked out housing ones, which look a lot nicer, but I don't want to throw those on just yet or unbox them because I'm not sure if I will be using them. Our original headlights are just fine. One of them has a broken tab, which I can fix. I'm just not sure if I want to keep the truck for a little bit, drive it around, or I just want to sell it right after I'm done. So for that reason, I'm not going to open up those headlights just yet. We'll see. We might put those on, we might not, but let me show you guys. Check it out. We got our airbags right here. So these are the long curtain ones. They go throughout the roof on the sides. These over here are little seat ones. So basically we have to take the seat cover off, replace these airbags, get the seat sewn up, and then put them back on. And then we also got our big old tail light. This thing is huge that goes on the side because ours is broken. This over here is our fuel tank cover. So this is just a little cover that opens, and this is actually the whole assembly because ours is broken. So it opens up somehow, and then this cover goes on top. And then this is our fender. I got the fender brand new from the dealer, but check this out. It has a little bit of damage right here. Nothing crazy. We might just have to throw some primer on it, and that will be all good. And then that is our headlights right here that I mentioned that I will not be opening just yet because I'm not sure if I will be throwing them on or not. But for now, that's pretty much it. We got these airbags right here, so we're gonna hop on the interior. We're probably gonna have to drop this headliner down right now. We're gonna have to drop everything down to get these airbags removed and reinstalled. I don't think I'll be taking the headliner out to get it repaired because there is no rips. Once I put the new airbags in, it'll kind of fall back into place. And if there will be any wrinkles, we can get those fixed. Then we're gonna hop on the seats, just get these suckers removed, replace replace this airbag over here and then take it to the shop so they could sew these back up. And our seat belts are actually deployed as well. So these things broke inside. We have to take off all these plastics, get these seat belts out, take them to L&D so they could fix them. That will be pretty much it with the airbags and the seat belt. And I'll probably hop on this door as well, take off this door panel, just see if I could still reuse it or not, because this door is actually really expensive, and the panel, the mirror, everything sells separately. So I'll just see what I can salvage off of this door as well. But we got a whole bunch of work on our hands, so let's just hop on the interior and do as much as we can. Alrighty guys, the seats are out, the seat belts are out, and it's starting to look a lot like our Supra did when we were doing the interior. If you guys haven't seen those videos, make sure you check them out. I'll leave a couple links down below, but check this out. We got our seat belts right here. We're gonna have to take these to L&D to get those repaired. The seats are over there, and look at these suckers. They completely blew and ripped us all apart. So we're gonna have to take these seats apart and also take it to L&D to get those sewed up, and then put these little airbags back inside the seat. But then take a look at this interior. So it's all taken apart over here as well. And check out the interior. I took all these panels apart so it'll be easier to get to these airbags right here to drop the headliner. So that's what we're gonna do now. The seats are out as well. So there's a lot of room to work here. I'm gonna drop the headliner as much as I can and replace those airbags right Alrighty guys, it is the next day here. I hopped right back on the interior and got both our curtain airbags in. Those are looking really nice. But before I put the headliner in, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like under there. Check this sucker out. The headliner's dropped. Everything over here is disassembled and it's looking pretty crazy, but it's not too bad. Both of our airbags are in, the new ones over there. And we got this one on this side as well. And everything over here is looking pretty scary. I just wanted you guys to see it before I put the headliner back in, but let's get that sucker in there. Alrighty guys, check this out. Airbags are in, headliner's in, everything's tucked in, it's looking beautiful. But we do have some wrinkles in the headliner. It's already getting a little dark, so the camera quality is not as good. But these wrinkles right here, I got our steamer. It's gonna boil up real quick, and then we're gonna try to get all those wrinkles out with the steamer. We'll do as best as we can. And then once we put the weather strips back on, it'll kind of hold it in place over here as well. But for now, let's just get this steamer and try to get these wrinkles out. Alrighty guys, it is the next day here. I apologize, this video is just kind of everywhere. I try to do some work each day on this truck, but let me show you guys what we got going on. Yesterday we got the headliner in, and I also try to get these wrinkles out with our little steamer. I mean, it helped out a lot, but there's still some wrinkles right here and right there. The back is actually pretty good, and same on that side. That side is pretty decent, but there's still a couple wrinkles over there. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do with this headliner. I know there is a guy here in Sacramento that could fix it with the headliner being on the truck. So maybe I'll take it to him once we're done, but I'll still figure that out later. I also started working on our seats right there. I got the seats right here. They're completely disassembled. I got these covers off because they were ripped from the blown airbag, and I already took them to a shop to get those sewed up. I did that off camera, and the airbag's already out as well. And these over here are our new airbags. I'll throw those on when I already have the covers, and then we'll button up these seats all together and throw them on the truck when those are done. But I just got back from L&D Solutions, and the seatbelts are already done. Look at these suckers. They are basically ready to go. So what I'm gonna do right now is get these seatbelts, throw them inside the truck, and just button up the rest of the interior. So all those panels right there and everything that goes on with the seatbelts. Alrighty guys, the seatbelts are in, and man, this interior is starting to come together really nice. Check these suckers out. L&D Solutions, like always, hooks it up, and these things are just beautiful. Everything works just like it's supposed to be, and you will never tell they were deployed. And our interior is basically done. All we need to do is assemble the seats when we get the covers back, throw those suckers on, and this interior will basically be 100% done. Well, other than that door panel, and we'll assemble that door panel when we get a new door. But other than that, this thing is basically done on the inside. But that will be a wrap for this video. Stay tuned for the next one. We're gonna start working on the body and get this thing buckled in and get it ready for paint. But thank you guys for sticking to the end. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Let me know what you guys think of the build so far. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.